Darkstar has made it inside the Dark Cathedral of Kronos. It's cold, it's dank, it's scary, it's just like my ex-wife. Take a good long last look at Team Darkstar, folks, because Shellshock is about to plaster them all over these cathedral walls.
Shellshock was recently named the sexiest robot alive by Vox magazine.
Target acquired. Terminated with extreme prejudice. This one my dishonorable discharge. Initiate annihilation program. I call this one my dishonorable discharge. Target acquired. Terminated with extreme prejudice.
Should have his own fitness machine, his own shoes, his own fat-burning barbecue. It's almost over, folks.
Initiate annihilation program. I call this one my dishonorable discharge. Target acquired. Terminated with extreme prejudice.
Look at those idiots cheering! 6 million bolts of hardware down the drain, and those ingrates are celebrating like I won the freaking lottery! Remind me why I put up with these morons.
Who else would watch Vox News? Temptation Asteroid? Galaxy's funniest decapitations?
Yeah.
Queer Eye for the Tyrannoid?
I get it. Seems we've underestimated our Lumbach's friend.
You got lucky. Shellshock was too slow and too stupid to be an exterminator. He should have been retired years ago.
Well, he's retired now. Ratchet, however... he just may be useful. He's even more popular than you were back in your heroic youth. Come to think of it, he even reminds me of you.
I said he got lucky. His luck won't last forever.